Hi everyone, this is Steven and this is...
Hi, I'm Sue.
Hi. Sue has been very brave. She finally agreed to do the interview. Sue, what do you do for work?
I'm a legal administrator.
Legal administrator. See, she's a very smart woman. Right? Are you still studying?
Yeah, I'm still studying.
Good.
Yeah.
Studying and working. See, she's very, very hardworking. How many times do you come to gym?
5 days.
5 days?
5 days a week.
And what's your routine like? Like
Monday, I train chest.
Okay.
Tuesdays is legs.
Tuesdays, days?
Wednesday is back. Thursday, shoulders. And then Saturday, legs again.
Wow, that's good. So, and then you repeat that again?
Yeah.
It's very good. That's very good. I can't train like Sue train. Okay, look at the way she builds. It's much better than me. Every weight that she push, I can't even take care of. I can't even take it. So whenever she's doing something, she's motivated to push more weight as well. Anyway, now Sue, what motivates you then to come to the gym all the time? I mean, like,
I don't know.
during the day that you don't want to come, what motivates you?
I don't know. I feel like just consistency.
Consistency?
Yeah.
Very good. What if you don't come to the gym? How will you feel? You just skip one day.
I always feel like so.
Very good. See, that's somebody addicted to exercise. But it's a good way though. So look, I want to make use of the opportunity to acknowledge you in the gym, because actually whenever I come here, I actually like seeing you in the gym as well. Seeing you pushing those weight made me want to push more weight as well. Seriously, and I just picked up a lot of the movement just from the last few weeks of me observing your workout. So thank you so much for being here. All right, thank you. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and I will show you more videos like this. And see you next time. Bye, Sue.
Bye.
Good job.
Next one. Next one.
Hi everyone, this is Steven, and this is this is. Okay, cut. Rerun. That'll be a good blooper. Anyway.